In this guide, we're going over the Nook Blueprint location here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you're starting at the life pod, what you need to do is go ahead and make your way about 160 degrees on your compass, which is roughly, in between southeast and south, like exactly halfway. But essentially, you need to go ahead and make your way about 300 meters from the life pod. If you just turn around and, look at the life pod itself, that's how you can actually track how far away you are from it. But keep heading in that direction. You're going to see a bunch of different stuff. And what you're looking for is like a big wreckage. It's impossible to miss, I'll be honest with you guys. It's going to be right over in this location right here. And you're going to see it's going to be right over here, that blueprint that you need. Simply go ahead and get out of your vehicle, or if you don't have one yet, simply just run up next to it, interact with it, and that is how you can get it. It really is as simple as that. The process is not too complicated. If you guys had any questions though, ask them down in the comment section below. And we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.